Hello students, in this I am explaining how to find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 4 comma 1 upon a straight line 3x minus 4y plus 12. So this is from straight line chapter. So this is a line L. So this is a point P x1 y1. So this is foot of the perpendicular. So from here it is drawn. So we have to find this point h comma k. So formula is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here a is the coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, c is constant. So if you substitute the values and simplify means h comma k 8 by 5 21 by 5. So next I am doing the image, how to find the image of the given point I am explaining. So